Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. So guys, this is a special video. Unlike my other vlogs, this is only designed for high-end lead generation marketing. So this video is a part of high-end lead generation marketing. So this campaign we are running for one of my developer and a marketing company who is marketing this project in Kolar. So this is only for those who are looking to invest their money. Nearly about 2000 rupees per square feet is the rate over here, and you can see I'm right now in Kolar. Look at the condition in Kolar right now. It's completely developed, and from here it is only 10 minutes and we will be reaching the project soon. So I want only those viewers to stay in the video who are interested in buying in Kolar. Otherwise, only investors stay in the video to look at complete video and understand that what is the growth in this project. As I said, this video is a part of a campaign, a digital marketing campaign, which we call it as high-end lead generation marketing campaign for one of my marketing company. So one of my client who is doing a marketing to sell this project for the developer. Stay in the video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I want you to guess what would be the price of a commercial property. So what would be the cost of a normal 30-40 commercial property if it was in Bangalore? So don't forget to comment that. Write that in the comment. So right now we are on Chintamani Road over here. You can see right in front, this road is a Chintamani Road, and on the way in between Kolar and Chintamani is this property. Sagatur Village is the project located in. There's nearly about 80 plots in the gated community, and RERA hai isme, DC converted, and this is a DTCP approved property. तो ये road जो आपको दिख रहा है right in front, this road is going to be a 60 feet road in future. Right now it's hardly 30-35 feet और कई जगह में 40 feet भी है. तो this is the village, Sagatur village, and यहाँ पे the project is hardly from Chintamani road जो आपने देखा वहाँ से, it is hardly 1 kilometer. And over here we are trying to sell a commercial property. So if you are interested in a commercial property to purchase, then stay in the video. Otherwise guys, आप ऐसे ही देख सकते हो, you can like, but this video is only dedicated for investors. This is not for people who want to stay, build the house for themselves and want to stay here. ये सिर्फ investors के लिए है. If you want to put in 2000 rupees per square feet. So we have entered the project. This is a gated community ready for sale. So ready for construction, ready for registration. तो मैं एक buyer के साथ आया था. One of my client who's in forest officer, retired forest officer, पटना से है, बिहार से है. तो उनके साथ मैं यहाँ पे आया था because he was interested in a commercial property. The size of commercial property is 40 by 80. To the road Sagatur road जो आपने देखा, which goes to Vemgal industry, Narsapur road. It connects to Narsapur industrial area. Right in front of that road, that 30 feet road जो आपने देखा, बिल्कुल उसी के ऊपर ये project है. So 40 by 80, 3200 square feet, a commercial plot only for 65 lakh rupees is the plot. यहाँ पे फिलहाल के लिए develop होने में it will take definitely time, more than 3-4 years, but prices will not stop. The prices will keep going on. This is a RERA property, RERA project, DTCP approved, and bank loans are from IDBI and LIC housing. So if you're really interested in investing, and if you belong to any part of India, out of Bangalore, in Bangalore, and also if you're looking at commercial property, bigger sizes, then this video is only for you. And if you are a builder, developer, or somebody who owns a property and wants to sell and wants us to do a high intent lead generation campaign for you, then do contact me. My WhatsApp link and details will be given in the description. We can sit down and discuss about your property and we can design the campaign accordingly. And coming back to this project, this is only for investors and people who are interested in buying near Kolar and surrounding areas. So guys, you just need to spend 2050 rupees per square feet for this plot, and the size of it is 3200 north facing. There are a couple of them, 3-4, अभी तो 3-4 हैं ही इसमें. Hardly 1 or 2 weeks the plots will be sold out. And one more thing I will tell you, out of 60 to 70 plots in this project, everything is sold out. We have only 9 to 10 plots available. So this is plot number 7 which the buyer is interested in. He is looking at this plot number 7. 8 भी है, 9 भी है. If you're interested, कमेंट्स में कोलार लिख देना और इन्वेस्टर लिख देना, and we will send you the complete brochure and also will explain you how to reach Kolar free of cost with our cab facility. Pick up and drop, everything will be given by the company. So do not worry on visiting the property. Only thing is you just need to comment Kolar in the comments, or you need to comment investor, so that you can come invest here 2000 today, and coming 5 years you can definitely triple the amount. So this is that road, nearly 40 feet road, and the gated community you can see right in front. This is a gated community. So this road goes to Wemgal Industry, Narsapur, and हम लोग चिंतामणि रोड से अंदर को आए थे. So this is that road which is going to be widen up, which is going to widen by 60 feet in future. And here I am with my client who has bought, and यहाँ पे मैं अपने client के साथ हूँ जो मेरे साथ तीसरी प्रॉपर्टी खरीद रहे हैं. This is his third property that he's going to buy with me. He's a big time investor and he's an old subscriber of my channel. He's already taken 3-4 properties which I suggested. तो गाइज मैं स्क्रीन में मार्क करके आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कि कहाँ पे ये कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी है. दिस इज बैंग ऑन द मेन रोड. यू कैन सी द मार्किंग. Project is bang on the main road, and over here the price is 2050 rupees per square feet. So comments में कोलार लिख देना और इन्वेस्टर लिख देना, and my number is in the description. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगली नई वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.